So here's something that we did just recently. We got this Ninja obstacle course for the kids, and this is a slackline version, but we didn't install it as a slackline. I'll show you what we did. So here you go. Hey, here's the Ninja course. This is what I built for them. Basically, it's actually pretty easy. As you can see up above me, 2x4s, screwed them to the floor joist. Basically, I used some 3.5 inch, I think they're 3.5 inch, 3.5 or 4 inch construction screws that are holding each other, and they hold me. I jumped up there. I'm 205 pounds. I jumped up, hung from them, and it holds me just fine. So, but anyway, the ones that you see in red, those are all the ones that came in that box. Other than there's a couple little ball ones that we didn't hang up because they're a little bit hard to use. And then the blue ones here, these are the ones that came off of Amazon. And oh, look, a monkey showed up. Hey, monkey. Anyway, the blue ones came off of Amazon, and my wife found those. And also a couple of the swings there that you saw, they came out, and they were inexpensive, very, very inexpensive. But the boards up at the top, they are, like I said, they're screwed to the floor joist, and then they have 3/16 eye bolts, 1.5 inch flat washer, lock washer, and then a nut that holds them in place. So anyway, here, what am I catching? Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Oh goodness, that's the only thing, is it does scare you to death with them doing stuff down here. So especially when they get on these little swing things, as you saw earlier. Anyway, all right, thanks. Hey, well, I think that's it. Oh, so I did forget something. The way these things work that came in the Ninja box, they actually connect, actually all of these, little carabiner type things, they came in the box, and then they connect to another component that goes above it that slides on the slack line, which we don't need that right now. So I bought chain that holds whatever this is, like 1,800 pounds, plenty strong. I think it was 3/16 chain. One of them, one size actually worked well for this one, but then this chain here is a little bit smaller because they ran out at Lowe's. I had to go to Home Depot. And then I bought some other of these. They're a little bit smaller. They're still like 800 pounds, working load. I think that's it. If not, ask a question, leave a comment. I'll answer it for you. Take care. We'll catch you next time. Say bye, Lincoln.